Toyota Binter is actually a joint venture between two companies. And our purpose for this joint venture is actually to combine our networks both regionally and locally in Singapore and Malaysia to bring about different products into the market. And one of those initiatives that we have currently today is the CWORKS brand. The CWORKS brand is developed back in Nagoya at Toyota Tsusho Corporation headquarters. And that brand actually represents a wide spectrum of products, from batteries all the way to lubricants. Today, we are now selling the batteries in both Singapore, Malaysia, and in the ASEAN region, even all the way to Africa. CWORKS battery, it means certified works. It means products that are OEM quality, but aftermarket price and aftermarket accessibility. And the CWORKS brand is backed by Toyota Tsusho Corporation. And obviously a lot of thought has gone into not only just the branding of the product, but the actual manufacturing process of the product and also the quality assurance. We want to assure the customers that we are giving them quality and reliability. And ultimately, at the end of the day, we will continue to do our best to improve on the product range and also the quality. We have just got started, and even at this start point, we are really highly encouraged by the take-up from both our business customers but also our end users as well. In Singapore and Malaysia, we work with many of our trade distributors and wholesalers to ensure that the products get onto the ground. In Singapore, it's rather small geographically, and so for Binter and Toyota Binter, we are able to cover a lot of the ground locally. However, for a large metropolitan city like Malaysia, we require a more extensive and comprehensive network of sales, and we are very fortunate to be able to partner with many good wholesalers who have an innate understanding of the ground and the needs of the customers. And we are very thankful that we have a good and established network of such trade channels in both countries. CWORKS brand, we are already selling in more than 10 markets in Asia. And right now what we are doing is also looking at what products are suitable for each market. And so we have done the batteries on a very large regional scale. We are moving into the lubricants next on a regional scale. And then from there, nail down to the smaller component parts. The reason why is because we want to start with the mass consumer products. Tires, batteries, lubricants, these are mass consumer products. And we will start with this broad base, establish ourselves, and then move into more micro segments of the parts market next. CWORKS is an exciting product for us. The reason why is because it's an in-house brand that is developed by Toyota Tsusho Corporation, our esteemed partners. I think the possibilities are endless, and the path that we can take is still being formed. I can tell you it will represent value, represent quality assurance for the end users. So in 5 years from now, I am looking at a wider range of products in a wider range of countries, but still with a people network that we need to work with to push that product to the ground. For the CWORKS product portfolio, it's actually a complete portfolio based in Japan. What we are doing here in Malaysia is we are taking a gradual approach to establish customer trust in the brand, and from there slowly develop out the portfolio in a meaningful manner, one that makes sense for both our trade customers but also our end consumers. So we have launched the batteries with a very encouraging start and a lot of support from our valued dealers. And next we are looking at some of the lubricant products as well to introduce into the market. And we want to make sure that whatever we introduce into this market will be suitable for the end users at the correct price point. The future is a very interesting one for us. With the rise of the EV, I think the battery demand actually will still continue to be steady. The reason why I say this is because if you look at the market landscape that we have in Asia today, electrified vehicles are indeed the trend, but that is a wide spectrum of vehicles. We have EV cars, we have plug-in hybrids, and so on and so forth. And so the demand for batteries, I do feel, is going to be consistent with the growth of both EVs and hybrid vehicles in the region.